Hello and welcome to MudBrain's TV Do It Yourself. And not just welcome to the channel, welcome to 2020. 2020 sounds as future as it can be. When I was a little child, I thought I would never see this number. In pagan traditions, the New Year's celebration with all the firecrackers and stuff was meant to chase the ghosts away. That you can start afresh. The only thing that is like always annoying to me, or that leaves a bitter taste in my mouth, is that there is so much trash on the next day. So I thought, what could I maybe do with all that trash? To me, it became something of a tradition to take a very extensive walk on the first of each year. And normally I'm going out quite early and I see the remains of the night before. There's always these great things here. I've been collecting just fireworks, rocket sticks for a couple of years now. Each year it got a bit more difficult, or I had to walk longer and longer for this battery fireworks stuff that is like firing 100 things with just lighting it once, cut into my parade there. I don't like it. Even though the success rate was diminished as compared to previous years, I got quite a lot of them. And I want to use these sticks as like the top layer of the table. And these nice burn marks that are in here, I will use them to create some of a pattern on the top of the table. I hope you liked it. And I hope that the coffee table will do its job and keep all the bad ghosts away. For the only ghost that I want to have in my life is my personal force ghost. That is like my butt-kicking machine. Here, bell me. Follow on social stuff. Links will be down in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a really good year. Hope to see you back. And I am out.